Hey, today I'm gonna show you, not really show you, but I'm trying to attempt to fix my Whirlpool dryer. It's making a lot of noise. I don't know if there's corn stuck in here or something wrong with the cooling system down there, the drive, whatever you call that. Anyway, I already opened it up, but I'll show it to you how I did it. Okay, the way I remove the cover is, make sure you unplug it first. I unplugged it there already. Unplug the washing machine, the dryer. Open this up, and there's two screws over here. I already removed it with a Phillips screw. And to lift this up, I use a putty knife and just push it like this and lift up. With your other hand, lift it up. Same thing with this one here. You push it right here, and this one will go up. Now you can lift that up and remove this wire, this thing to separate the plug. Okay, the way I remove this is I remove the two screws that was here, and here. I already got one out here. See, that's the other screw here. Press it there. Anyway, then I move it this way, forward, then up, lift up, then it comes out. Right? That's how I remove the cover. Now to troubleshoot, what I'm gonna do first is loosen this up. Make this thing loose here. This thing, well, what you call that thing? There might be something in there that's making that noise. If not, then I'll just tighten it back up. So I'm gonna check first. Okay, I'm gonna use this 1/4. Spin it. Nothing. So there's nothing wrong, nothing in there. So I'm gonna tighten back up. Before I do something else, I'm gonna take a picture of the way it is inside there. I could have just videoed it. I'm gonna take a picture the way the setup there, the way the drive is, the pulleys and stuff. Picture that way, if I do need to remove it, then I know which way it goes. Okay, I take a picture of it. This is the inside. Now I know what it looks like. So I'm gonna remove the bolt. I remove this belt from the drum. I'm gonna do it from here. Now I took a picture already just so I can remember what it looks like. I already removed the belt, so this one space touches the drum side, and this side is outside. The outside, inside the groove. Now I'm gonna lift the drum out. Now we get access on the inside. I mean the back of the dryer. Now we can troubleshoot with which one is the problem. Alright. Okay, I check the hose, check the rollers. Nothing really wrong with it except it's dry, so I'm just gonna put grease on it. Someone recommended lithium grease, so I'm gonna try that. Maybe that's the cause of the noise. And see what happens. I'm gonna put everything back, letting them grease this and clean it up. Took up all the hair already. It was hair already. Oh, there's some more hair. Let's see, gonna clean it up, then grease it, then it should be good. I hope. Alright, this side out and this side in, touching the drum. Make sure all the filth goes into the back. Okay, drums in. Now the cover. Engage the hook to this hole and we'll lift this up too at the same time. Okay, let's do it. Okay, we put the screws back in there, these two screws. It's the same to remove first. Put this in there just in case, prevent, just in case something I drop. If I accidentally drop this, like this, it'll stop over here. Okay, so before you put the screw, put this back in there just in case this, you might accidentally drop the screws in there. Okay, now I'm gonna plug it in, see what happens. So it's working. No more banging noise. So all it needed was just grease. And I might take this one not. Yeah, that's what you get for putting all the detergent here. Shouldn't be doing that. Anyway, it's fixed. So all it needed was just some grease. Alright. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.